What is elder law? I'm certified elder law attorney Zack Anderson, and I'm going to answer the question that I've gotten from many clients, many people, including my own mom, and that is, what is elder law? Elder law is defined by the National Elder Law Foundation as the legal representation of older persons and their families. Specifically, it focuses on the unique issues around our ever increasing lifespans in the United States. Particularly the last 3 to 7 years before death, things can get very complicated and very expensive. In fact, they can get so complicated that Congress, the United States Congress, created the National Elder Law Foundation to certify attorneys as elder law attorneys. The idea being these issues are so complex that attorneys need a special certification to show their knowledge in these areas. NELF, the National Elder Law Foundation, NELF, we call it NELF for short and affectionately, defines 5 or 6 core areas of elder law. And here's what they are. First is health and personal care planning. This means what kind of health care are you going to get? What kind of health care can you pay for? It encompasses subjects like living wills, advance directives, posts, MOSTs, dementia directives, and things like that. The second core area of elder law, as defined by the National Elder Law Foundation, is pre-mortem legal planning. This has to do with wills, trusts, taxes, retirement account planning, things like that. This is the area that you're probably going to be most familiar with, simply because it's most akin to the role of the estate planning attorney. So estate planning and elder law overlap, very much so they overlap. And in fact, what we refer to as traditional estate planning is one of the core areas of elder law. The third core area of elder law is fiduciary representation. A fiduciary is someone who acts in the best interest of someone else. In this context, it might be a healthcare power of attorney agent, a financial power of attorney agent, a trustee of a trust, or the personal representative of a will after a person has passed away. Those are all examples of a fiduciary. The fourth core area of elder law is, in my opinion, the most interesting, and that is legal capacity counseling. So this is, can a person sign a will? Can they sign a trust? Can they sign a healthcare power of attorney? How about a medical records release, an engagement agreement to have legal services provided to them? This is absolutely fascinating, and I really enjoyed learning about this when I was studying to be a certified elder law attorney. The fifth core area of elder law is public benefits advice. This is a big one. This is probably the biggest area that an elder law attorney is going to focus in. I say that it's the biggest of maybe any of these one issue. Public benefits advice might concern Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security, Veterans Administration benefits, or other housing, drug, prescription drug programs for older persons, things like that. This ties into the complexity and expense of the aging process. Public benefits, the structure in the United States, we have a very kind of cobbled together public benefit structure, and that's just the way the laws are. We can advocate to change them. I think NELF and NALA, the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys, encourage elder law attorneys to do that, to advocate for law changes, but we also have to work within the confines of the law in representing our clients, and that is often very complex, for better or for worse. The final core area of being an elder law attorney, of elder law, is special needs counseling. Now, this is not technically, as of the date of this video, a core area as defined by the National Elder Law Foundation. But elder law attorneys consider this to be a core area, and we expect NELF to officially make this a core area within the next few years. Special needs counseling has to do with special needs trusts, planning around them, their taxation, whether they should be revocable or irrevocable, whether we should do life care planning within a special needs trust, what happens to the assets in the trust when the person for whom the trust is created is passed away, things like that. So because special needs counseling overlaps with elder law in so many other ways, particularly with regard to public benefits, a lot of elder law attorneys consider this to be a core area, and I certainly agree with that. So now you know what elder law is as defined by the National Elder Law Foundation. To find an elder law attorney near you, you can head to the National Elder Law Foundation's website. I'll put a link in the comment to this video. You can type in your zip code or your address, and you can find a certified elder law attorney near you. Thanks for watching.